Hello friends, we will discuss one mathematics question. Let me put up the question first. So this is the question that we have to find the area of this yellow region. This yellow region. So let me decide that what is this question all about. First of all, we will see that this given figure is a triangle, and the coordinates of this triangle are having another few small triangles. The small triangles are having two of its length as 5 centimeter, and the length that is not inside the triangle, that is the yellow length, that is the yellow side of the length, that is given as 5, 10 and 15. So we have to find the area of this yellow region, and this yellow region is a kind of hexagon, you can see. So we have to find the area of this hexagon. So the basic formulation for doing this kind of question is that first we will find the area of this big triangle, and from there if we minus the area of these three small triangles, then we can get the area of this yellow region. This is the basic principle. Let's see how we will do this. As it is given, the lengths, that is 5, 5 and 5, it is given in the question. So if we add it, we get 15. Here if we add it 5, 10 and 5, we get 20, and here if we add it, that is 5, 15 and 5, we get as 25. That means this 15, 20 and 25, they are Pythagorean triplet. That is 15 square plus 20 square is equal to 25 square. That means the side of this big triangle is a right angle triangle, because they are forming the Pythagorean triplet, and it is right angled at the sides joining 15 and 20. So this 15 and 20, where it is joined, that angle is the right angle, that is the 90 degree. So this triangle is a right angle triangle. This is proved now. Now this given right angle triangle with the sides 15, 20 and 25 is very similar to the right angle triangle of the sides 3, 4 and 5. Why? Because the triangles whose sides are in Pythagorean triplet are always similar. This is a property, a kind of property you can say, that Pythagorean triplets triangle are similar. So these two triangles are similar. Now what I will do this small triangle of the length 3, 4 and 5, I will try to put this small green triangle over here on the blue triangle, and I will try to put this small green triangle over here on the purple triangle. So if I put it, you can see the black outline that is given, that will be formed like this if I put it. Now since this complete length was given as 5 and this length of the small triangle is also given as 5, so this 5 and 5 will go and match. So what we will get is here 3 and here 4. Here also that 5, this 5 side length and this 5 side length will match over each other, and what we will get is this 3 and this 4. So for this complete blue triangle, the base is 5, the height is 4. This complete purple triangle, the base is 5, the height is 3, and this red triangle, the base is 5 and the height is 5. So we got to know the base and height of the three small triangles. So now we can calculate the area of these three small triangles very easily. So after calculating the area of these three small triangles, we will minus from the area of this big triangle to get the area of this yellow region. See over here, we are taking the base, we are taking the height. We also, in this one also, we are taking the height, we are taking the base, and this one is the height for this one, and this is the base. Here the height is 5, here the height is here the base is 5, here the height is 3, here the base is 4, and here the base is 5 and here the height is 4. So if we put all these values, then the area of this blue triangle, that is half into 5 into 4 is equal to 10. Area of the red triangle, that is half into 5 into 5 is equal to 12.5. Area of the purple triangle, that is half into 3 into 5, that is 7.5. And area of this big triangle, that is half into 15 into 20. This side is completely 15 and this side is completely 20. That is equal to 1. So area is equal to 150. Therefore the area of the yellow region is area of the big triangle minus the area of all the small triangles, that is equal to 120. So the area of the shaded region is 120, and we solve this question by using Pythagorean theorem and Pythagorean triplet. No need of using trigonometry. Thank you. I hope the question is clear.